Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Journal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to select the language or change, just go to the lower bar, click to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the home screen, and go to the search section, the tools, and here you can find the change language option under the passcode. Click that, and here you can find different language, for example Portugal, Korean, Hungarian, Ukrainian and others. Just select one, click that, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.